I'm Batman, he's Robin.
Completely blocked.
Dear Dumitru from Romania.
There's a rumour going around that you're treating the whole team to lunch. Is that true?
I don't know if I can stretch the whole team.
I'm not eating.
Nice ring to it.
Nice keywords there. Good morning, Dumi, the main man. How are you? What's the job today?
Good morning, guys. Today we'll do a back patio on Imperial College with a surface cleaner. If you can see down, it's some grass and some moss. We'll try to take it off with a surface cleaner in case it's not going. We'll try to use a turbo nozzle, and with the turbo nozzle 100% will be going.
Okay. Perfect. Okay, so you're going to use a Mosmatic, and if not, the turbo nozzle.
Turbo nozzle, yeah.
Okay, Dumi. So just this area here, yeah?
It's this area, and it's another area with a bike area.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
There is a bike area and a canopy clean as well.
Perfect. Okay, I'll let you crack on. Get your stuff ready.
Yeah.
Good luck, Dumi.
Cheers.
You're a great guy, man.
Just make a little bit space to be ready for cleaning. Yeah?
Every great man needs a wingman. Morning, Jim. How are you?
I'm Batman. Hey, Vinny, I'm Batman, he's Robin.
Oh, you're Batman, he's Robin?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that true, Dumi?
Good morning, everyone. Here, Dumitru from Romania.
Batman.
Gypsy guy.
All right, listen. All that I wanted to do is just let the fans know it's not just Dumi today. We got Irish Jim, so I think this is the dream team, right?
Yeah, we're the ones that take it to the next level, so we do.
What's it like working with Dumi?
It's an experience.
It's an experience. Is it fun?
Yeah, it can be fun or it can be an experience.
Can you keep up with the pace that Dumi sets, the speed he works at? Can you keep up?
Oh yeah, there's either slow or stop. So there is.
All right, guys, I'll let you crack on. Good to see you.
That's
Take care.
Too.
Guys are just doing a bit of a recce here of the patio area. How do you think it's coming up on the Mosmatic?
It seems to be coming up well. Like, as you can see, he's going over, he's getting a lot of the surface dirt off, and he's getting a lot of the moss off as well at the same time. So all going well. Once we're giving our rinse down, that should be job done, all going well. And if not, whatever is missed by the Mosmatic, we will get with the turbo when they're finishing up.
Perfect. All right, mate, the rain's starting to come down, so I'll let you crack on. Do me there. Looking forward to seeing you in action too, Jim.
Yeah.
Conan, good to see you, my brother. How you doing?
Yeah, good, thanks, Vinny. How you doing?
Yeah, not bad, man. So, what brings you here today?
Yes, just popping in, checking on the guys, making sure they know exactly what they're doing. It wasn't myself who surveyed this one, so it was Danny, our ops manager, who surveyed it. So just Danny can't be here today. He's on another job, so I'm just popping in on one of my site visits today, making sure the guys have everything they need, making sure that they know exactly what they're doing on the job, and just making sure we've got everything covered.
Oh, mate, how's it going?
Yeah, all right, thanks. How you doing? Good, man. Can I call you on video quickly? Just on the Imperial College job. Are these areas? Are these areas part of it? Just the wall. Just the wall, yeah. So leave these areas. Yeah. Okay, cool. We'll just we won't do them, and then we'll just suggest them for another time.
And how do you think it's looking so far?
Yeah, making decent.
Coming up nice, the patio, yeah.
Decent progress. Obviously, need to rinse all this off after we do the surface cleaning. But yeah, made a nice start so far. Hopefully, we get most of the cleaning done today. Probably be back tomorrow to do a bit more cleaning because we've got another area with the bike sheds that need cleaning as well. So we'll probably, I'd estimate about a day and a half for all the cleaning, and then we'll come back and do the sanding.
Sure, but reckon they'll get this main patio done today, yeah?
Yeah, definitely get this one today. Hopefully get a good start on the other area as well.
Perfect, okay. And while you're here, there's a rumour going around that you're treating the whole team to lunch. Is that true?
Whole team, but just a few of us. Just a few. I don't know if I can stretch the whole team, but I reckon yourself, Dimitri and Jim.
Just to the camera, say we're treating the whole team. As soon as
we can cover that.
Wicked.
Yeah, let's head off and get some grub.
Wicked. All right, then, mate. Good to see you, bro.
Nice one. Any questions, please do comment below. I've been reading through all the questions and getting back to you. So yeah, do comment if you've got any questions, and also make sure to like and subscribe because it really helps us if you like and subscribe on our videos as well.
Wicked.
Thank
all
you.
right, mate. I won't keep you any longer. Thanks, Conan. Just a quick note, guys, before we start here. That is actually the drainage, and you can see it's completely blocked. Completely blocked. Got this green moss here. It's completely overgrown, so there's no drainage here, but where they've done some of the pressure washing, you can see it's clearing out. So not just a patio clean, but also the drainage is being unblocked. Just a quick pit stop, you can actually see the difference, the early stages, how clean, how well it's coming up. Dirty, clean, and not even finished yet. Dumi, my friend, you're doing a good job, so what's happening now?
Now I just take a short break time, and then we'll be start again with the rinse off.
Nice.
Just wait for the water to fill up again.
So pressure washing's all done?
Yeah, pressure washing is all done. All the moss is gone. Now it's just the dirt and lots of sand which is coming out. Will be replaced the sand. Maybe tomorrow if it's dry, will be replace all the sand. And yeah, this is.
Nice, okay, so it's looking good. All right, Dumi, so short 5-minute break and then the rinse off, yeah?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
So Jim, I understand you've just come back from a nice break in Prague.
Yeah.
In a few short words, we didn't know this about you, but you're a spiritual man. In a few short words, could you tell us the importance of mindfulness?
Mindfulness is really, it's about controlling your emotions more than anything else, and just kind of like keeping yourself more so in check. And also it gives you a platform for you to build everything off, basically. Whereas if you're looking after your mind and looking after your body, you're able to look after your business. Or if you're working for a business, you're able to perform better, you're able to work better, your mood works, and then the great thing about that is that that energy can move off into other people. So it can have a knock-on effect within whatever team you're working with, whoever people you're working around, it can make, as I say, a smile, giving someone a smile at the right time or being joyful towards somebody can make a massive difference to the point where it's actually saved lives, where people have said, I was going to kill myself and somebody said hello and smiled at me.
Makes
So
that much of a difference, eh?
it can, you
So
don't know.
we've gone off here. I mean, this is really good to hear, because when Conan said you went to Prague, I thought you went for a few beers and you know what I mean, and to get up to no good. But a bit of mindfulness. Jim's a spiritual guy, and let's hope that influence can rub off on the rest of the LBC. But you know, it's all making sense now, Jim. I thought that you was a well-rounded man, so we'll have to check back in on this. But
No bother, touch base
thank
with me,
you.
guys.
That's the
and
fans. To the
go
fan,
from there.
address the fans there. We got Jim here, a spiritual guy. He's taking control of his emotions, and it's rubbing off on his performance. God bless you, Jim.
Thanks, Marvin.
I teach him. You're gonna have to teach him. So, RS Jim, end of play. You happy with today's results?
As you can see from the job behind me, the Mosmatic did a great job, and then we came along and washed it down with the fan nozzle. So with that, we should be back tomorrow now to resand it and then finish the job out. Now with that, guys, we're going to sign off. Please subscribe, and we'll chat to you soon.
Lovely. Thanks, Jim. See you in the next job.
See you in the next job, Ben.
Cheers, buddy.